MCQ for TT examination. Choose the correct answers from the 4 options. Question number 1. Which of the following is not considered a sign of being gifted? Answer. Option 1. A. Creative idea. B. Novelty in experience. C. Fighting with others. D. Curiosity. From these 4, creative idea, novelty in experience and curiosity are gifted, but only fighting with others is not gifted. That's why correct answer is C. Fighting with others. Question 2. When a child with disability comes to school, the teacher should. Option 1. Conduct an admission test. B. Refer the child to a special school according to disability. C. Schedules him from other student. D. Discuss with the child's parents to evolve the collaborative plans. The correct answer is B. Refer the child to the special school according to disability. Question. Next. In the context of education, socialization means option A. Always falling with social norms. B. Creating one's own social norm. C. Respecting elders in society. D. Adapting and adjusting to the social environment. Correct answer D. Adapting and adjusting to the social environment. Question. When a child fails, it means option A. The child is not fit for studies. B. The child has not memorized the answers properly. C. The child should have taken private tuition. D. The system has failed. The correct answer is that the system has failed. Question. Which of the following stage makes the involvement of children in their peer groups? Answer. A. Adulthood. B. Childhood. C. Adolescence. And D. Early childhood. Which of the following stage makes the involvement of children in their peer group? That is correct answer C. Adolescence. Question. The emphasis from teaching to learning can be shifted by. Answer A. Focusing on examination result. B. Adopting child-centered pedagogy. C. Encouraging rote learning. And D. Adapting frontal teaching. The correct answer is a B. Adapting child-centered pedagogy. Question. It is said that development is a never-ending process. Which of the following defines it? Answer A. Principle of interaction. B. Principle of continuity. C. Principle of interrelation. And D. Principle of integration. Correct answer B. Principle of continuity. Question. Human development is divided into which of the following domains? Answer A. Physical, spiritual, cognitive and social. Option B. Physical, cognitive, emotional and social. Option C. Emotional, cognitive, spiritual and social, psychological. Answer D. Psychological, cognitive, emotional and physical. Correct answer is D. Psychological, cognitive, emotional and physical. Next question. A child starts to cry when his aunt taken him from his mother lip. The child cries due to. Option. Answer 1. A. Separation anxiety, emotional anxiety, social anxiety, stranger anxiety. Answer is B. Emotional anxiety. Next question. A teacher can identify a stressed child when the child show the following behavior. Answer A, aggressive behavior. B, full concentration in studies. C, excessive talking. And D, hyperactivity. Correct answer is A, aggressive behavior. Question next. Honey, a young female teacher, believes in personalized learning because she thinks that. Answer A, learners must learn on their own. Answer B, students must enjoy their learning. Answer C, every person must be exposed to learning. Answer D, every learner is unique and must be given a chance to develop to the best of his ability. Correct answer is D, every learner is unique and must be given a chance to develop to the best of ability. Next question. The major purpose of a periodic parent-teacher interaction is to. Answer A, share the information about ongoing events in school. B, discuss the child's strength and weakness for reinforcement and improvement. C, develop a social relationship with each other. And D, highlight each other's shortcomings. Correct answer B, discuss the child's strength and weakness of reinforcement and important. Next question. The team curriculum in the field of education refers to. Answer A, method of teaching and content to be taught. Answer B, overall programs of the school which students experience on a day-to-day basis. C, evaluation process. And D, text material to be used in the class. Correct answer B, overall programs of the school which students experience on day-to-day basis. Next question. Which of the following is one of the three types of analysis of pedagogy in education? Answer A, pedagogical analysis of belief. B, pedagogical analysis of subject. C, pedagogical analysis of emotion. And D, none of the above. Correct answer is A, pedagogical analysis of the belief. Next question. Mind mapping refers to. Answer A, a technique used to enhance comprehension. B, a plan of action for an adventure. C, drawing the picture of a mind. And D, researching the functions of the mind. Correct answer is D, researching the functions of the mind. Next question. Critical pedagogy formed the beliefs that. Answer A, the teacher should always lead the classroom instructions. B, the learners needs no reason independently. C, what children learn out of the school is irrelevant. And D, the experience and perceptions of the learners are important. Correct answer is D, the experience and perceptions of learners are important. Next question. Which of the following is considered a sign of motivated teaching? Answer A, maximum attendance in the class. B, remedial work given by the teacher. C, questioning by student. And D, pin drop silence in the class. Actual correct answer is C, questioning by the student. Next question. Which of the following is the teacher related factors affecting the learning? Answer A, mastery over the subject matter. B, proper sitting arrangement. C, availability of teaching learning resources. And D, none of the above. Correct answer is mastery over the subject matter. Next question is, the disease dyslexia is associated with. Answer A, mathematical disorder. B, behavioral disorder. C, mental disorder. And D, reading disorder. Correct answer is D, reading disorder. Next question is, teacher makes use of variety of tasks to create to the different learning style of her learners. She is influenced by answer A. Piaget cognitive development theory, B. Kohlberg's moral development theory, and C. Gardner's multiple intelligence theory, and D. Vygotsky social cultural theory. Correct answer is Gardner's multiple intelligence theory. Next question. Which of the following is a domain of learning? Answer A. Experimental, B. Professional, C. Affective, and D. Spiritual. Correct answer is affective domain. Next question is, which of the following is the first step in the scientific method of problem solving? Answer A. Formation of hypothesis, B. Verification of hypothesis, C. Problem of awareness, and D. Collection of relevant information. Correct answer is D. Collection of relevant information. Next question. An error of learners often indicate. Answer A. Socio-economic status of the learner, B. How they learn, C. Their need for a mechanical drill, and D. Absence of learning. Correct answer is C. The need of mechanical drill. Next question. A school gives the preference to the girls while preparing students for the state level solo song competition. This reflects. Answer A. Gender bias, B. Pragmatic approach, C. Global standard, and D. Progressive thinking. Correct answer is A. Gender bias. Next question is, the stage in which a child begins to think logically about subject and events is known as. Correct answer. Option is A. Sensory motor stage, B. Formal operational stage, C. Pre-operational stage, and D. Concrete operational stage. Correct answer is concrete operational stage. Next question is, for distinctive stages of children's cognitive development are identified by. Answer A. Piaget, B. Skinner, C. Erikson, D. Kohlberg. Correct answer is A. Piaget. Thank you. These questions are MCQ for TET examination. Thanks.